ain't really got no time for lunch date. But before the show, I hit you like a lunch plate. Baby, listen good, got me hard.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Doing a quick update today. I got some good news and some bad news. So bad news number one, as you can tell, the G8 is still here. It has not been picked up and brought to Brian yet for the rebuild on it. It's because I'm still waiting on those valves. I do have an update on the valves at least. Bad news number one about the valves is the company ordered the wrong valves. The machine shop ordered the wrong valves. So they received the valves, realized they were wrong, and so they've ordered the correct valves. Those valves are not on back order, however, so they should have the valves by the end of the week. Talked to Connell, and he told me that as long as they have the valves by the end of the week, he might be able to come pick the car up this weekend. I should know more on Thursday or Friday, so I might do an update later on this week or wait till Monday, depending on whether this car is going to get out of here this weekend or not. So he'll let me know Thursday or Friday about whether he's going to be able to come grab the car, depending on when the valves will be in. If the machine shop gets them by Wednesday, they're hoping to have them out by Friday, Thursday or Friday. So that means Connell could have them by Wednesday. So I was hoping that if they get the valves in and get working on them, he can have the car mostly ready by the time they get there. So he can just slap everything together and get it back to me. So that's the update on where we're at on the rebuild. I did also get a set of skinnies for the front. Some skinny tires with some wheel spacers so I can clear the Brembos up front. Haven't test fitted them yet. I'll do that later on this week at some point. Not in any rush. Obviously the car's not going anywhere. So I got those. I got lug nuts for them as well. I got the whole setup. I got a good deal on them. Spent $200, all set up, ready to go. They've been on a G8 before, so I should have no fitment problems. But I'm gonna throw them on anyway and do a quick double check. Might take a video and show it to you guys. Obviously the car will have to be right there because I'm not about to push it out and bring it to the driveway and do all that. So hopefully they fit fine. I mean, they should. They came off another G8. I have a different style of Brembo probably than what he had, so there's a chance they won't fit, but I shouldn't have a problem. I've got two sizes of spacers. He gave me a 10 mil and I've got 5 mils, so between the two, shouldn't have a problem. Might be able to run with the 5 mils. I'm hoping I can. I just want a small spacer I can when I run them. It's a little bit safer. So that's the only other new thing I got for the car. No other real updates on it. I got my truck back, finally. See it out there. Got my truck back from the dealership. Got the whole dash replaced and steering wheel. Just some little stuff since I spent so much money on a nice truck and had some tiny problems. Figured I'd have them fix it for me. Why not? It's free. No other problems out of my truck though. Do need to see about getting a window switch replaced in my truck. For whatever reason, the back window won't roll up from the back switch, but it'll roll up from the front switch. I don't know. Wire loose or messed up switch. Not my problem. I'll have Ford fix it again. But yeah, that's it for the car. There's nothing more really to update. Hopefully, I'll have it out of here by the start of next week. It won't be in here anymore. Once Connell gets it, I know he wants to get it in and out pretty quick, so I'm hoping maybe 1 week. Hopefully it'll only take him a week to get the car back because, like I said, he does this on the side. So we'll see. I'm ready to have my car back. I'm tired of it just sitting here and me not being able to drive it. No other real updates. Sorry for the crazy hair, guys. I just got out of the shower, so just got home from work, jumped in the shower, and started recording this. So I'm sorry if I look crazy right now. But yeah, beautiful day outside. Can't drive my car in it. nothing else really to report, guys. But anyway, thank you guys. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, share. You guys have been crazy supportive so far. I got 200 subscribers now. I'm actually about to hit 220. Yeah. So anyway, thank you guys. Yeah, you've been awesome. Hopefully, you'll be able to see a video of this running by the end of the month. That's what I'm hoping at this point. So thank you guys. Bye.